Good morning, Thursday, and we are back with our early bird spin class this week. Every Thursday, 6 o'clock. I did fix a cup of coffee, you guys. I only had time for one sip. But I'm gonna try to sneak some sips in as we go. All right, y'all, go ahead and grab your bikes, get set up, make sure you've got water, a towel, your spin bike, all of that. And we will get started with a warm-up. Welcome. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed our Thursday full body workout. There's Kenya. Good morning, Kenya. All right, go ahead and hop on. All right, I'm gonna turn it up one notch. Let me know how that volume is, okay? I don't want it to get too loud, but I want us to be able to hear it. All right, start pedaling. All right, you need light to medium resistance, light to medium. So add a little bit of gear. Here we go. Now, Kenya, I wasn't sure, were you in the 5 a.m. class this morning? I know Stephanie was there. I think Enid was there. All right, go ahead and stand up. Stand it up, jog out. If you were with us on leg day yesterday, okay, we'll keep it right there. If you were here for leg day yesterday, your legs are probably a little bit sore. I know mine are on the sides of my quads and in my glutes. They're also sore. All right, keep moving. She said, I overslept. Okay, no worries. No worries, you're here now, Kenya. There's Michael. All the kitties are in.
Good.
I don't know why, but they went out for a little bit and then they came right back in.
Traumatized by the rain.
Probably. Good morning, Tabby. Welcome, welcome. All right, you guys, let's get warmed up. First off, I hope you slept good last night. A good night's sleep creates a good morning, creates a good day, all of it.
Brave won.
How'd you sleep, Michael?
Brave won.
Oh, he said the Braves won. Okay, woohoo! Woohoo! If you're following baseball, that's a good thing.
Yes.
If your name is Michael, there's Bruce. Bruce, are you into baseball and are you following the Braves? Is that your team? As it is Michael's. As it is Michael's. All right, y'all. In between each song, I want you to get a quick drink. We're gonna go into 30-30s. Make sure your timer is on. Our first one's gonna start in 10 seconds, okay? 10 seconds. We're gonna give it a little push in 5. Ready? Here we go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. 30 seconds on. That's it, Tabby. That's it, Bruce. Is that for Friday? Halfway there. Keep it going. You've got 8 seconds left, y'all. Push, 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 push. 3, 2, 1, and pace back. All right, we are gonna surge for 30 and then jog it out for 30 seconds. Now, if you're not a big fan of jogging, just sit it back in the saddle, okay? This is your recovery. We've got to
jog anyway. It's your class. You run it how you want to.
Hey, Michael?
Oh, my bad.
Are you okay? You came in the door and you haven't stopped talking.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Having fun.
All right, push, 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 you guys. 30 seconds. I know they're working as hard as they can. Bruce said, go Braves.
Go, baby, go.
All right, thank you, Bruce. He needs someone to celebrate with. I'm just along for the ride. Keep going. You got 8 seconds more on the push. Come on. In 3, 2, 1. Pace it back. All right, stand it up and jog. Kenya's laughing at us. I say us. Maybe you, maybe me. I don't know. Ooh, this is what happens when you work the night shift. You come home and you think you're still a paramedic on duty. You're bossing people around on site. Get there, do this. Sit it back. Here we go, push, push, push. Woo! 30 seconds on. I bet you need a kitty and a nap and a cup of coffee. Is that what you need? Push, push, push. 30 seconds on. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, pace it back, y'all. Pace it back. Grab a drink, water, coffee, whatever you got. All right, now you should be warmed up. We're about 8 minutes into class. You're starting to get your blood pumping. If you did the early class with us, yes, he has a favorite cat that he likes to nap with. The cat is actually napping right now, so we don't want to disturb him, but Milo is the best sleeping cat. Kenya said, a kitty? When you've had a rough night, that's all you need, Kenya, is a cat and a nap and a coffee. Right, Michael?
Well, it's called a cat nap.
Good morning, Enid. All right, y'all. 1, 2, 1, 2. Try to find this beat. We're in the 90s, you guys. Left, right, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, if you're not a fan of cats, you could substitute a dog in place of the cat. You could substitute a pillow, a nice soft pillow that you can hold on to. I suppose a spouse would do, but really a cat is gonna work best in this situation. Ooh. Enid knows what I'm talking about. She and I are cat people. Whenever you need a good nap, find yourself a kitty to snuggle with. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, pace back real quick. Quick saddle break, Tabby. Nobody that's gonna interrupt your sleep. Only somebody that's gonna add to the nap. Good. All right, sit it back. Here we go. Round 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Follow my lead. You're in the 90s. That's it, Bruce. 1, 2, 1, 2. Follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Keep moving those legs. You got this. Your heart rate is coming up. Get those miles in, Kenya. I know Kenya's got a goal. Tabby's got a goal. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. I'm in love with the shape of you. All right, pace it back and jog it out for a second. That's it, good. Hover, stretch out those hamstrings. Now, if you were with us yesterday for leg day, you're probably feeling some soreness right here in your hips, maybe in your glutes. Today's workout is gonna help shake out some of that soreness. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pick it up, pick it up. Mile 60. I love it, Kenya. That means we're not quite at the halfway point of the month. And I think you're about almost halfway to your goal. That's a very good sign. You're on track. I was chatting with Tabby the other day. She said she's slightly behind schedule. That's okay, Tab. We will get you there. We will get you there. Ooh. And pace it back. Pace it back. Get a drink. Oh, man. All right, that got my heart rate up. I'm sweating again. Oh, breathe. All right, we're gonna have 2 speeds on this one. I don't know if you can hear this lead in. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is your tempo. It's 70. There's Stephanie. When the beat drops, you're gonna take off. There it is. When it drops, I want you to accelerate. Push, push, push. You're just gonna go with the music on this one. Go, 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 go. That's it. Come on, Steph. Use the first song, Stephanie, as your warm-up. All right, you're back to tempo. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it, Bruce. This is a pace back. It's 75. Medium resistance. Stay in the game, Kenya. When the beat drops, you know what to do. Put the hammer down. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready? Get set. All right, start your acceleration now. Push, 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 push. You're up in the 90s. You got it. Keep breathing. Keep sweating, Enid. That's it. All right, pace back. We did go for a little bike ride yesterday, and it was beautiful. We drove out off 840, gorgeous to see all the trees. If you haven't been out for a drive lately, go do that. Get a coffee and just go drive. It was so gorgeous. It feels like the leaves have changed suddenly and quickly. Push, push, push. So we went for that bike ride, got out to where we were going. It was so windy, it was nearly blowing us over. When we got back in the car, push, 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 hold on. You're at 95, Bruce, come on. You got this. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. All right, pace it back. When we got back to the car, I thought, you know what? I'm gonna check weather.com and see what these winds are. 18 mile an hour gusts. So we'd literally be on our bike and it would be like, whoosh. We'd have to like clench down and hold the line. One more round. Ready, sprinters? Get set. Just for fun, add 1 click. 1, 2, 1, 2. When the beat drops, ready? Go, 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 go! 95. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, Tabby! Come on, Bruce. Enid. Stephanie. Angela. Joni. Mona. Push, 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 push. You got it. Ah! All right, pace it back. Take that gear off. Oh, geez. That last one did me in. So we were kind of enjoying it at first. What we realized was that going going out, we kind of had a side wind, like a headwind, but more of a side wind. And we were like, this is hard. I don't know what's going on. So we went about 40 minutes out and decided to turn around and come back. We're like, it's just not safe. What took us, let's say 40 minutes on the way out, took us 30 minutes on the way back. So that's when we knew we for sure had a headwind and then a tailwind pushing us. So it's kind of crazy, but we had fun. We drove through Leiper's Fork, which if you're not familiar, there's a couple of little country stores. You can get like a hamburger or a sausage biscuit or something. There's a coffee shop, which was closed. I wanted to go to the coffee shop, but I had to settle for the gas station coffee. One of those cappuccino machines. Oh, 100%, it was all sugar. But I was like, damn it, I wanted a coffee.
I think you broke your sugar challenge with that.
It was 100% sugar. Don't tell them about it, Michael.
You're telling them, I'm just saying.
It was so good, but it was coffee, just pounded with sugar. All right, out of gear, stand it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. There's Joni. 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 4, 5, 7, 8, back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. Sounds good, Joni. Enjoy the replay. That's it, y'all. Let's move to the 4 count. Ready? Here we go. Back, 2, 3, 4, up. 2, 3, 4, back. 4, up. Back. Up. Back. Up. Back. Up. Back. Up. Back. All right, up, stay up, 3rd position. All right, who wants to zigzag? Should we do a Michael zigzag? You gotta get the neck involved. I'm not even sure how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Michael moves his neck like this. All right, that's making me dizzy. I gotta sit back. I'm not as skilled in the art of that. All right, take a break. I did that 100% for Kenya. All right, sit it back, you guys. Take a break. Take a break. Woo! Oh, this is a tempo ride. I can feel it. Ready? One, two, 1, 2, grab this beat. Add back in 1 gear. 90 RPM. This is a perfect cycling tempo, y'all. 90 is my jam. 1, 2, 1, 2, push, pull, push, pull. Keep going, Kenya. Keep going. So I know Kenya is not nearby. She's obviously in Atlanta. But Tabby is pretty close to me. Bruce, pretty close to me. Did you guys feel those thunderstorms yesterday? And it wasn't even thunderstorms. It was like a crazy, just straight line wind. About 4:30, 4:30, the sky changed. Then about 4:45, it hit the fan. And it was right when Michael had to drive to work. So, did you guys feel those storms? And is everything intact? Trees, the furniture, wasn't it right at that time? About 4:45. Whew. But within an hour, it was pretty much settled down and just rain All right, pace it back for a second. Breathe.
That's not me.
Okay. Pace it back. Bruce said, first the wind, then the storms. Yes, that was crazy. So imagine those winds that were starting to develop and push and move around. That's what we were cycling in yesterday at about, at about noon. At about noon, 12:30. All right, back to the grind. 1, 2, 1, 2. 90 RPMs. That wind was something crazy. We moved. Ooh, where'd you get those?
Somebody donated them.
Somebody donated them to the firefighters? Nice. They can't see this from here. Show them, Michael.
It says rain.
This is one of those energy drinks. 300 milligrams of caffeine. So a regular cup of coffee has about 60 to 80 in a cup of coffee. This has 300. Woohoo! Somebody's gonna be lit up. That would be what, about 4 cups of coffee? Shit, that's a lot. Reduced fatigue. Well, no kidding. Increased concentration. Yeah, because you're buzzing like you're on Adderall. B vitamins, amino acids, electrolytes, and then it says recommended for persons 18 years of age or older. It comes with an age warning on this stuff. They're handing this out to the fire department. I'm sure it's amazing, but we may have to split one, Michael. All right, pace it back. Oh man, caffeine is definitely a stimulant, for sure, for sure. All right, let me turn it down just a hair. We're gonna go into some sprints. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off, okay? Let me turn this away from y'all. Ready? First one starts in 3 seconds. Who would be brave enough to try one of those? Here we go. Push, push, push. 20 seconds on, Bruce. Bring on the boom. And it's all right, it's all right. It's all right, it's all right. Pace back. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Here come the boys from the South. Who remembers this song? I used to play it in spin class by P.O.D. What you eating?
That's salmon.
How was it?
It was good. All you need was some lemon. I don't know why you say it's fishy. It's a piece of
Ready?
fish.
I did cook salmon yesterday in the air fryer. I didn't have time to marinate it. Here we go. Come on, bring on the boom. It's all right. 10 seconds in. It's all right. Boom, boom. 3, 2, 1. Pace back. Jog it out. Jog for 20 seconds. Boom. Good job, y'all. Sprint intervals, 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Next one starts in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 20 on. Keep working, Kenya. Keep working, Tabby. Come on, Enid. 3, 2, 1. Pace back. Jog it out. Jog for 20. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Keep going. Boom. 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 5 seconds more. You're in the 90s, Kenya. And pace back. Pace back. Take a gear off. Michael, you can put that up. That drink. There is no way I'm going to be able to drink that. Not today. I've already started with coffee. Thank you, though. Maybe we should split one.
Sure.
All right. We're gonna pick up our pace back up to 80, 85. Add back in that gear. We might do a couple little micro sprints. This is about burning calories and logging your miles, okay? And don't you give up, no, no, no. No, no, no. Keep pedaling. All right, in 10 seconds, we're gonna take off into a little micro sprint. Ready? Set. Here we go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. 15-second sprint. In 3, 2, 1, pace back. Back to your normal speed. Something in the 80s. That's it. Keep going. You've got this, Tabby. You are doing fabulous, you guys. We are exactly 30 minutes into our workout today. 30 minutes in. We're gonna go for about 10 more, and then we're gonna cool it down, okay? You can do 10 more. Yes, you can. Keep pedaling. We're not at the country store yet, but if we go down this curvy road, we're gonna make a right turn and head to the parking lot, okay? Hang in there. Here we go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. We're on a little downhill. I want you to accelerate. It got easy. Move those legs. It is amazing how a little downhill, just a little downhill, can make you feel fast. All right, pace back. Stand it up and jog. Never let you go, never let you go, never let you go. Woo. Good job, hover. At this point, you should be sweating, okay? You should be sweating. You should be working. Grab a drink. Good, breathe. Deep breath. All right, we are gonna climb. We are gonna climb to Snoop. Let's start off. Actually, let's take off a gear. We're gonna start up here. Every time we add a gear, it's gonna get heavier and heavier, okay? Drop it like it's hot. 85, 90. Go ahead and add now. Add 2 gears. 80. We're dropping below this tempo. We're gonna end up at this tempo, okay? Keep going. You got this. Come on, Bruce. Now, instead of just slowing down, I want you to fight the resistance, okay? Fight. Fight that headwind. Add a gear. We were going about 7 miles an hour yesterday at times. we'd look down at our speedometer and we're like, we're going 7. And then on the return, we were going like 18. 55, 65 RPMs. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Come on, Kenya, add one more gear. It's getting hilly. It's trying to stop us. We're not gonna let that headwind stop us. We're going uphill and it's windy. Switch your hand positions. Come on, Enid. Come on, Joni on the replay. Come on, Mona on the replay. All right, we're down to the other beat. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you add any more gear? Try. Just try. There you go. That wasn't hard. 1, 2, 1, 2. Push, pull, push, pull. Come on, Bruce. Those quads are powerful, Bruce. They can push a lot of resistance. They can push you up that hill. Are you laughing, Michael? I'm talking to Bruce. I can compliment my students. I'm not talking about my quads, Michael. Stay out of it. Oh, man. No, Bruce, I've seen his quads. They're powerful. So are Tabby's. All right, stand it up. Woo! Come on, quads. 1, 2, 1, 2. Woo! Stephanie's got those small but powerful quads. Ah, yes. She's little, but she doesn't weigh much. So they can power her up this hill. Come on, Steph. Come on, Bruce. Woo! Sit back. Sit back. Take some gear off. I got a smile out of Bruce too. God. Breathe. You know, it was always a thing with me when we were in class. Now I'm spilling the beans on myself. I literally didn't want anyone to overpower me. When it came to doing our power tests, we would do the 10-second max crazy. I'm just curious, for those who are keeping up with their mileage, where are you at today? How many miles did you get in? We've been on the bikes for 40 minutes. How'd we do today? 1, 2, 1, 2, shake it out. Get your legs up there. 85, 90 for the shakeout. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. All right, y'all, great job on a Thursday. Keep moving. So tomorrow we will have Friday ab workout. Now, it was Barbara's birthday today. Barbara that comes to 5 a.m. She didn't tell me till we were in class. And she's like, nobody wants to do 56 or anything. I thought 56 on an ab day would be perfect. So we will do that number tomorrow as our theme for the day. We will do like 56 crunches. We'll break them into 2 or 3 sets, okay? So nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. That's about how many we do on ab day anyway. All right, roll your shoulders back. Keep moving your legs. Keep moving. All right. For anyone who can come on Saturday, I was thinking we should do weights. We haven't done that in a while. I know. Lift up, reach for the center of your back. I know Bruce had been reminding me we should work in weights on Saturday. So if you can come on Saturday, let's do upper body. We'll do curls, we'll do front rows, we'll do side raises, we'll do presses while we're spinning, kind of like every other song, okay? Let's do some arm circles now. Yes to weights, okay? Let's do it. Let's do it. So that's on the Saturday class, 9 o'clock here. Hey Kenya, do you want to go for an hour? We haven't gone for an hour lately. I know you guys have goals. I've got goals too. To undo all the damage I did from beach trip Twizzlers. But I'm feeling much better already. All right, keep pedaling. Actually come to a complete stop, you guys. Okay, we got a thumbs up. Well, let's plan on that then for Saturday. Lean back. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Toe up and pull back. You burn so many more calories too if you're spinning and doing upper body lifting. Light weights though, so for me, I'll probably grab my 8s. Don't think of it as being like an upper body workout, but rather calories, blood flow, endurance. When you're doing light weights, high repetitions, you can get that endurance in your upper body. All right, hop off your bike. Keep breathing. One leg up and lean into it. Oh, that feels so good. My hamstrings are so sore from yesterday. What did we do? Switch. Oh, I'm sore from leg day. Lean in. Good job. Come around to the other side. I want you to stand tall. Hold on to your bike. Let's stretch out your quad. Excellent. All right, switch. Cross one leg over. Sit it back in a chair. Switch. Switch. Oh, I feel that in my hips from yesterday. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, have a wonderful Thursday. If you need a couple extra miles, absolutely keep going. Otherwise, I will see you Saturday. We're gonna go for an hour, Kenya. At least 50 minutes. And bring your hand weights on Saturday, okay? Thanks, y'all. Thank you, Steph. Bye.